Okay, so your assignment today is a social studies assignment about the Montgomery Bus Boycott. So the directions are you're going to read a 2-page slide set about the bus boycott in Montgomery, Alabama. If you need to have the passage read to you, just click on the speaker buttons. There are 3 of them on the left-hand side of the pages. After you read it, you're going to go back into the paragraphs and you're looking for the 5 W's of writing. You're looking for the who is this about, the what is the main part of this, the where did it happen, of course, the when, what time, what year, and all that, and then the why. And you're going to use on the right-hand side of each of the pages, there are some stars and some highlight bars that you're going to be dragging over, like we've done in past assignments. They're off the page in the margin. You're going to put the stars on the who, what, where, when, and why when you find those, so I know that you know where those are. And then the highlight bars are things that you find that are important or interesting to do a summary. And then you're going to read the directions on slide 4. I'll look at that in just a second. But you're going to be listing on the top of that the 5 W's. And then you're going to be writing a summary on the reading on slide 6. Okay. So this is what it looks like. And so let me enlarge this just for a second. And it says, for this activity, we're going to be reading about the Montgomery Bus Boycott, why it happened, who were the major people involved, and what impact did it have, and how was it resolved. So you're going to read the 2-page handout, and you're going to be thinking about the 5 W's, the who, the what, the where, the when, the why. This is a video that you can look at. It's about the bus boycott. But I don't expect to see you on this more than once until you're done with the whole assignment. I don't want you to just keep playing it over and over again and try to pretend like that's you doing the assignment. Here's the actual reading. And so here's the speaker buttons over here on the side. I had to break it up because the recording thing only goes for so long. So the first button is for paragraphs 1 to 3. Paragraph 4 is at the bottom of this page. This one starts paragraph 4 and then goes 5 on the next page. So over here on the side, here are these bars that you drag and drop to highlight the important parts. And then you're going to drag these stars here over onto the who, the what, the where, the when, and the why. And there isn't going to be a who and a what and all that in every single paragraph. You're only going to find those 5 items within the entire reading. And it can be more than one who, though. Okay, like for example, in this one, I know it's going to be Rosa Parks is a big part of it. But then there's also Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. also was a part of that. So you're going to have more than one who. Okay. So don't try to rush through it. This should take you a while to work on. Here's the second page. And again, the highlight thing over here on the side. Here's the highlighter and the stars. And then here's the other speaker. And then on this page, slide 4, it says after reading and annotating the reading, which is a word that means using the stars and the yellow highlight bars while reading that passage. Again, read it first, just for information, and then go back and read it to put in the stars and everything. So at the top of the organizer on the next page, you're going to fill in the who, the what, the where, the when, and the why. And then you're going to use that information along with the important details that you found in the passage, or with the things that you highlighted. And you're going to be writing a summary of the passage in box 1 on the bottom of the page. There's more to the assignment, but we'll do that after we finish the first part. So here's the work page. You're going to type in the who, the what, the where, the when, and the why. And you're going to write me a summary here of what the reading is about. This is not a 1-sentence thing. You're supposed to incorporate those 5 W's. So I need to see a nice paragraph down here about what we're talking about, who's involved, what was it concerning, where did it happen, why was it happening, okay? So this is going to be quite a bit of writing down in here for you. You should almost fill this whole thing up, I would think, okay? And then we'll deal with these other 2 boxes later in the week after we get the first box done.